What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a magnificent video ads maker CommerceMojo. I will show you CommerceMojo Review, bonuses and discount. You can create any kind of product videos for your store. Link in the description.
You can see right now the dashboard is super clean and it's very easy to navigate the entire process. So I'm going to start showing you all the things that you can do with CommerceMojo. As soon as you log into your CommerceMojo account, you will see these 5 tools. Now these 5 tools are super important to create high quality stunning product images and videos and also ads. So let's start with the bottom line here, which is background removal, image enhancer and image compressor. So these 3 tools are super important to create high quality designs and videos. So first of all, let me show you the results that we got using CommerceMojo, so you can get an idea how accurate our AI is and how easy it is to use. So let's take a look at the before and after. So I'm going to show you the before and after of background removal first. So you can see this is the before image that we uploaded to CommerceMojo and this is the output that we got. So you can see it's a fairly complex image here and the colors are very similar, the background colors and the color of the bag here. Still our AI was able to detect the background very correctly and it was able to remove the background. So you can see the output is amazing here and this is the background removal before and after. So now let me show you the before and after of our image enhancer. So we think this is the best enhancer on the planet right now and you'll see why right now. So let's look at the before picture right now. So this is the picture that we uploaded to CommerceMojo. You can see this image is very low quality. If you can stretch it like that, you'll see this is very low quality image, and sometimes that happens if you're taking photos from your smartphone or someone sends you photos on WhatsApp, then the images get degraded and this is the result of those images. Now what you can do with CommerceMojo is that you can upload that image to our image enhancer and this is how the image optimization and enhancement will work. So this is the output that we got with CommerceMojo. You can see there is a big difference here. So this is the before picture and this is the after picture. So this is the kind of quality you can expect from CommerceMojo. Now let's look at the third and the last tool, which is image compression, and I will show you the before image. So compression is basically to compress the images and to make sure that the images stay as high quality as they are after they are compressed. So right now you can see this image, the before image is 164 KB. So the size of this image is 164 KB and the after image is 44 KB. So you can see the compression is really good, and let's look at the before and after now. So let's click on before. So this is the before image of image compression, and now let's look at the after image. So this is the after image. Now you can see there is literally no difference here right now. I'm switching through the tabs and yet there is no difference in the image. So I was able to save almost 100 KB, that's about 100% and more from this image. So if you can compress the images, it's really good for your website. So if you are hosting a website or you are adding photos on your website, it is extremely important that you compress your images, and that will significantly boost your page load time. So that's the use of compression, and we highly recommend you to compress your images before using it on any website. So this is how precise and accurate our AI is, and this is the kind of quality you can expect. So now let's get back to our dashboard here, and now that you know the kind of quality you can expect, I'll quickly show you how all these 3 tools work. So all of them work in a similar way. So let's click on background removal, and here you can see it's very simple. You can just upload a photo and our AI will automatically remove the background. You don't have to select any background yourself or manually, so everything is automatic. So that's the best part about this AI. So now let's click on upload image, and I'm going to quickly upload the same image that I shown you here so that you will see how easy it is. So I'm going to upload this bag image right now, and now it's going to process. It usually takes about 30 to 40 seconds to process the image, but again it depends on the complexity of the image. So let's wait for this image to process. Alright, so the image is now processed. Now let's look at the image. You'll find the image here in my transparent photos, and you can see I have already removed the background from a lot of images here. You can remove the background from almost any image. It can be a portrait image, it can be a product image, it can be absolutely anything, and it will accurately remove the background. Now let's look at the image that it removed the background from, and now let's open this image. And you can see it's very good. It's the same image that I shown you before. So this is how easy it is to remove a background from a photo. All you have to do is just upload a photo, and that's it. It will automatically remove the photo for you. Now let's look at the other tool, which is image enhancement. Now this image enhancer works the same way our background remover works. So all you have to do is just go to enhance image resolution, and on this tool you can just upload the photo just like we did in the background remover, and as soon as it's done processing, it will show us the results. Now you can see all the results of your enhanced photos from here. Now I'm not going to upload this image and waste your time showing you the loading bar. So the idea is, as soon as you upload the image, it will automatically enhance the image, and then once it's done processing, you will see the enhanced photo here. So you can see all these photos that I've enhanced so far, and that's how the photo enhancer works. Now let's go to the third tool, which is image compression. So let's go back to home, and this is our image compressor, and it also works in the same way. So all you have to do is just upload the photo, and then it will give you the output. So I'll just quickly select a photo now. So I'll select the same photo, and as soon as it's done compressing, you can see we have saved about 73% of the image weight. So the original image was 160 KB and the compressed image is 42 KB, and the results are going to be the same. The image is going to look very same. There is no visible loss in quality for these images. So that's how the image compressor works as well. So it's really easy. All you have to do is upload a photo and you're done. Now once you're done uploading the photos, enhancing them, removing the background, and also compressing them, you can start creating high quality designs and videos using the images that you processed. Our design builder and video creator works with a unique subject first approach. So what is subject first approach? Basically, it allows you to choose a subject for your design, and then that subject is the center of attraction. So that's how it works. Now for design as well as video, we have several ready to use templates for you. I'm going to quickly show you the templates so that you'll understand what I mean by subject first approach. So let's click on create image, let's click on get started and see the templates that we have. So here you can see these are the templates, and there will be a lot more depending on the upgrade that you got, but initially you'll have enough to get started. So these are very beautiful designs. I'll quickly show you the preview of each design. So this is one of the design you can select, or you can choose something like this, and it can be a product image as well. So this is a product image. So you can see the subject here is this headphone. So entire design is revolved around this subject. So we made these templates making sure that every design has a subject and the focus is the subject. So in this photo, this dog is actually the subject of the photo. So the idea here is, once you remove the background from your photos, then you can use them as a subject for your design and videos. So that's one way to do it. But if you don't have photos to remove the background from, then we have hundreds of professional cutouts ready-made for you. So you can just select a cutout from our ready-made library, and you don't need to upload the photos or remove the background from. So now let me show you how our design builder works. Now let's go ahead and click get started again, and then here let's select this template. So we have already previewed it. This template looks good, so let's go ahead and click on select template. Now this is going to load our design builder. So this design builder is created from the ground up, as I said, so that it works with this subject first approach, and I'll show you how easy it is to use. So this is our design builder here, and everything is editable. You can move around every element, you can change text, and you can change the size of the text, you can change the colors. Basically everything you can think of can be done in this easy to use design builder. And this is the photo. You can do various things on your subject. So this subject you can flip or you can rotate. Now you can also add drop shadows to your photos. So once you select a subject, you can just go ahead and add a drop shadow. So let's choose a color here and let's add some drop shadow to our design here. So let's select this, and you can play around with these settings as much as you want, and then this will create a very cool looking drop shadow. So once you are done with editing your cutout, then you can go ahead and edit the other parts. You can also very easily change the backgrounds. So we have very professional backgrounds ready made in your account. So you can see all the backgrounds here on the left, and once you click on them, they will automatically apply to your designs. And we have really professional backgrounds that you can use here. And also, if you don't want to use a background image, then you can use a solid color. So at the top here, you can select a color for your design. So that's how the background tab works. You can also upload your own photos and use them as a background if you want. And after you've done with the background, you can then even add more text if you want. So you can easily add more text to this design, or you can edit the existing text here. Then we also have a cutout library, as I said. So if you don't have a photo, if you don't have a subject to use, then you can use our own subjects that we have given. These are very high quality photos, and you have complete rights for these cutouts. So you can easily delete your subject, and then you can add any subject that you want. So let's go ahead and add a photo right now. So let's add this dog instead of the one that we had. So this is the dog, different kind of a dog, and now you can resize the dog as much as you want and make sure that it fits really well. So I'm going to place him here right now. So this is a dog that we changed, and now you can again add the drop shadows to this dog as well. So that's the cutout library. You can also see all your cutouts. So all the photos that you remove the background from are here, so you can use them as well. So you have both the options to use the cutouts. The next option we have is shapes. So we have thousands of shapes that you can add and completely customize. So if you want to have full control over your designs, you can do that using these shapes. Then we have my images. So here you can actually search for stock photos. We have Pixabay integration, so all the searches that you do here will be searched on Pixabay, and then you can instantly add photos to your canvas using Pixabay. And those images have full rights, so you don't have to worry about the rights problem here. And also you can upload your own images. So if you want to use an image here, you can just upload it from this tab. Now the last thing we have is template. So let's say if you don't like this template, then you can easily switch to another template if you want from this tab. So this is how easy everything is. And once you're done with the design, you can simply download your image from here, and then you can preview the image like this. So this is our final output, and this is how easy it is to create designs and high quality designs with CommerceMojo. So now let's go back to dashboard here. I'm not going to save this design. Let's go back to dashboard, and now I want to show you how our create video works. So now we have seen how we can create designs. I'm going to show you how you can create stunning videos using the same subject first approach. So it works in a similar way. So if you click on get started, you will see all the templates that we have right now, and these templates will again depend on the upgrades that you have in your account. So these templates you can preview from here like this. So you can see this is the subject in this template. So you can replace the subject with any subject that you have, and the entire idea of all the templates is the same subject first approach. So now let's choose another template. I'm going to quickly show you another template right now. So this is the kind of quality you can expect. It's really good, very stunning designs. So once you like a template from any of these, then you can just click on select template. So let's select this one right now, and then it is going to load up our video customization settings page. So on this page you can actually select the image that you want to use in your videos. So this image is basically your subject, as I said, and right now this is the subject by default, but you can of course change it to any other subjects that you want. So you can see the preview of the video again here, and then you can change the text. You can change the colors of your text if you want, and most importantly you can change the image. So let's click on choose image, and here you can see there are 4 tabs here. So these are my cutouts. These are the same images that we uploaded to CommerceMojo and removed the background from. So these are our cutouts. Then there are my uploads. These are the images that we uploaded in our design builder. And then there is a done for you cutout. So if you don't have any cutouts, you can just use these cutouts in your designs and videos. So let's select a cutout from DFY cutouts, and let's go with this cutout. Now let's select it. Here we can crop the cutout and adjust it as we want. So I want it to be in center, so let's choose it like this, and now let's click on crop and proceed. So now this subject cutout is selected, and you can change the subject cutout, as I said, to any cutout that you have. Now let's scroll down, and here you can see you can select the background music. So we have tons of background musics already added in your account, so you can easily change the background music. And once you're done, you can just click render, and you will see the output for this video. Now I already have rendered a lot of videos, so I'm not going to waste your time in rendering, but usually it takes about 30 to 40 seconds. Sometimes it can take 1 to 2 minutes for the videos to render, and once your videos are rendered, you can see them here. So this is one of the video. Let me just download it. So once the video is rendered, you will see all the videos in my videos tab, and once it's downloaded, I will show you the output. So it's downloaded now. Let's see the output here. So this is the kind of video you can create with CommerceMojo. It's really easy, and the whole idea is subject first. So you can create lots of such videos and use it for advertising, and even you can use them in your existing video projects on any other software or apps that you're using. So this was a quick overview of how CommerceMojo works, and I hope you liked this entire demo video. Now, for a very limited time, we are waiving off all the limits for all our tools. So usually all the tools like background remover, image enhancer, and image compressor comes with a limit. So you can only do certain amount of images, and they are usually sold for a very high monthly price. And we are selling CommerceMojo for a very low one-time price for the limited time during this launch period. So this launch period is going to last only for a few days, and this is the first time anyone has ever done this. So no one has waived off all the limits like this, and there is no tool right now which has all these 5 powerful technologies packed into one dashboard. This is a tool that you can use for years to come, and because there is no limit, it is going to be really helpful for your online business. There are a lot of businesses right now, even offline businesses, that they want to sell online due to the COVID situation, and this tool is the perfect fit. So even if you are an agency seller, this is a very good tool to sell the services to your clients. You can create stunning images, product images, and videos. So this is a unique opportunity that we are giving you, and I hope you get this before the next price rise, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you for watching.